Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some slime makeover videos. I've seen a lot of these and they look super fun, and so I decided to try one on my own. So I'm going to be doing 2 slime makeovers in this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. First time is actually 4 slimes, which is gonna sound super weird, but I promise it'll make sense. So these are all very small, clear slimes, and I believe 3 of them are melted. Yeah, this one's definitely melted. The pink one is not melted. I made that very recently. And then this one is a red one, and this one is melted. And this one, which actually has some really pretty glitter in it on the bottom, and it's like purple and it has fig beads, and I really liked this slime, is also melted. But I definitely think that I can make something cool out of these. So, I'm going to be mixing them all together. Guys, they are all mixed together. It is a pretty like hot pink reddish color, and it's melted definitely, so I need to activate it. As I'm mixing in some purple food coloring to give it a purple color. Alright guys, I'm activating it so that we can, that was too much. It's okay, it's just, we'll get there. This is the slime right now. I just dropped something. And now I can't, okay, wait, here we go. Aha. This is so much bigger. Like, those were so small. But I guess there were like 4. It's activating well, which is good because something's actually going as planned. Sorry, I'm just a little bit. Guys, what did I do? Oh my gosh. It's okay. It's okay. We'll figure it out. Can we like... So I saved it. It's okay. It's not dead yet. Got all of my beautiful glitters and stuff. But before I do that, I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek on the slime I'm going to be fixing next. It is a pink melted white slime with jelly cubes in it. So, I don't know. We'll see what we can do with that. So I'm going to be doing a little ASMR video that I will probably be posting on my, me and my friends, Elephant_slimes with 3 S's, 7. It'll be on the screen, it'll be in the description, it'll be everywhere. Check it out. It's amazing. She's cool. Cooler than me. It's okay. But anyway, me and her have a TikTok for slime that is the same name as our slime shop, which is an Etsy, which is also going to be in the description, which is also amazing because it is just amazing. And it is ellie.rose.slimes, and the slime shop is Elephant Rose Slimes, which will, again, like I said, be linked in the description. I'm going to make a video about my fish soon. So this is our before product. This is the after. This, honestly guys, turned out so much better than I expected. If you couldn't tell what all the add-ins were, I added in this beautiful glitter. This is a chunky blue glitter. This is a fine blue glitter. Iridescent, extra fine glitter. Some Daiso clay balls. White mini foam beads. Blue normal foam beads. And that is it. And guys, this turned out so good. If you're like, why did she add the Daiso in? Because I really wanted to give it a more unique texture, and I think that really did it. It is like nice and thick, but it still has that clear slime, like clicky, glossy pre-texture. I'm so excited. I know it's not going to really clear up because of the Daiso. I really like the way this turned out. I think this is definitely going to be a more appealing slime for me to be playing with than all of those little tiny melted ones that we had before. And I really like it, and I think it was definitely a success. If you think it was a success, give this video a thumbs up. So we are moving on to the next slime, and this one is looking like this. It's literally like pouring colored glue. This is sad. Why? Oh! This is where we're at. Nice and creamy. By the way, I'm adding red paint to change the color up a little bit so that it'll go with the theme. Sorry that I didn't say anything about that. I'm also going to be adding orange paint. My theme for this slime is watermelon drizzle, I think is what I'm going to call it. But it's going to be like watermelon themed, and I'm going to do some cute stuff with it. I'm adding in right now. It has jelly cubes in it already, which like I was thinking about trying to remove, but then I was like, I don't want to completely change the slime. I just want to just give it some more personality. And so I did not remove any of the jelly cubes. And so I'm adding in these little white foam beads to give it some more texture. Anyway, I'm scenting it like honeysuckle. Can you guys honeysuckle? So now that it smells good, we will be done. So yeah, this slime is way better than it was before. Thank you guys for watching. This is so fun to make, and I'm so glad I tried it out. I really enjoyed it. And if you guys could try to get your friends to subscribe and watch my videos, because I really hope you guys enjoy them. If you do enjoy them, thank you for watching them. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and check out all my other videos. Like those as well if you like them. Look at all the links in the description. The description is full of amazing things that if you don't check them out, you are missing out on life. So yeah, make sure you go to the description and check out all the things in the description. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.